Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome to another video. Again, we are looking at Hot Wheels and Matchbox here. Kind of a new little hobby I've gotten into. And this is actually my second diorama. Here's my first. I'll try to leave a link in the description for the video for that. And I decided to make something a little different. This is just kind of like a one-way street. You got your street lamp. Oh, street lamp there. And see if you can kind of take a look. Look at that. Don't mind the basement in the background. That's our new water heater. Ream. Awesome. Doesn't leak. Really like it. So I looked at, there's a lot of amazing YouTube channels that kind of show you how to do this stuff. And so this is actually just a piece of cardboard. You measure it out, use your knife, and cut the lines in it, paint it, and then you just go back over it again. And it kind of looks like a wood slat, wood fence. Kind of something you might see on the highway or this or that. And then when we look down here, this is actually just out of a sponge, like one of the scrub sponges. So I just took that out, and so that's actually supposed to be shrubbery. So if you look at it a little closer there, not really supposed to be grass, more shrubbery. And I have more of it over there as well. We kind of look at the top of it. So basically all I did is I just painted this black, and I'm just using craft paint, nothing special, and a paint marker for the white lines and the arrows. Even made myself a little one-way sign, which actually isn't supposed to face that way. It's supposed to face like this, but I wanted to show it to you. So we like that. And of course the light post, and on the bottom here, just in case anybody gets close to hitting the light post, they'll hit that barrel instead. And I think it turned out absolutely fantastic. So now, some of the cars in here I have actually detailed up. These are some of the cars I've actually really owned in real life. So the RX-7, I own a 1985 RX-7 right now. It is absolutely amazing. It's running perfect. I did put it away for the winter, so it makes me want to cry when I see this, but awesome car. Then you have I had a 78 and a 77 Honda Civic. So Matchbox released this. The RX-7 is a Hot Wheels, and the Civic is a Matchbox. We're gonna back this Datsun up here. And then you have the MR2. I had two of these and blew up both engines. Very cool car. I don't know, maybe they were just old and I blew them up. They're still around, but one of my most favorite cars I've ever owned. And then we got a Datsun pickup truck. Never owned one, but I put some detail into the front end. I'll do another video too on kind of how I do this. But I just wanted to give you a little idea of the diorama that I've built. Anyway, just a little sneak peek on what I'm starting to get into. This is so much fun. There's so much help online to customize and do whatever you want, and I think it's absolutely amazing. So I wanted to make sure I shared that with you. And easy to do. Anybody can do it. And the tools that you're using is like cardboard, popsicle sticks, zip ties, and then you got yourself a little, a sponge here, toothpick, a little piece of popsicle stick that's just cut. That's an antenna tube from a Tamiya kit, and this is actually off a Can-Am snowmobile, but nonetheless, you might not be able to get that as easy. Anyway, I hope you like it. Don't forget to hit the like button down below. Subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to put more up, new stuff up, but you know what? Life gets crazy, and yep, that's what happens. Anyway, leave a comment down below. I'll try to answer you if you have any questions. And you know what? Start doing this. If you like Hot Wheels or you like customizing your own stuff, I think you should do it. Give it a try. It's very rewarding and it doesn't take up any space. All right, catch you in the next video. Later.